maybe this one.
This.
This one, okay. What? This. What are all these tubes for? They are called test tubes. Testing out ideas. Scientists do tests.
Now here.
No, where? Here? If I boil this liquid, will it turn into a gas? Yes! Scientists do tests called experiments. Some work in the rooms called laboratories or labs for short. Which is next? This one. What's the world made of? All kinds of stuff. Hard stuff like rock. Soft stuff like mud. Runny stuff like water. And stuff is made up of tiny building blocks known as atoms and molecules. They are so tiny you can only see them through a powerful microscope.
Hey,
Yes or no? Oh, all those crayons here.
Yes.
Do you want to draw now or do you want me to read?
I want to draw and you read.
Okay. So, yes or no? Or next page?
Yes or no.
Okay, which one? Should I choose? This one. Is the sky really blue? No, but it often looks blue to us. Sunlight is made up of all the colors of the rainbow. Blue light is reflected most by the air, so we see the sky as blue. This one? Maya. Do scientists really wear white coats? Yes, but only some of them. Scientists in labs wear white coats for 3 good reasons. To stop dirt from outside getting into the lab, to keep their own clothes clean, to stop dangerous chemicals from getting out of the lab. What? Here? Are mushrooms plants? Let's check. No, they are a type of fungus. Plants can make their own food, but a fungus can't. It feeds on plants and animals. And look, Maya, this is a plant. The tree is a plant, and this is fungus. How? Which one? How do doctors know what's wrong? What do doctors say? Yeah, they say by spending years studying the human body and learning from other doctors. They look for clues to tell them what's making a patient ill. Then they choose the best way to make him or her better.
Why better?
Because this is their job.
No, this and this.
This and this, okay. How does science help us? Okay, first this. How does science help us? It teaches us about the world and leads to new discoveries and inventions. Over 250 years ago, Benjamin Franklin proved that lightning is electrical. Many more scientists then experimented with electricity, and now we use it every day. For example, we have it in the lamps. Yeah, and this one. How do microscopes work? They use 2 or more lenses to magnify, which is make bigger.
Look what
Yeah. Listening and jumping. I will show you the video later, okay? So they are used to magnify things that are usually too small to see. Here's part of a butterfly wing made 10 times bigger, 100 times bigger, and 1,000 times bigger.
No, this.
Which one? This one, Maya. Okay, wait. How can you make a white flower blue? I think we've never read it. How can we make a white flower blue? By adding blue dye to the water. All plants need water to grow. The flower sucks the blue water up its stem and its petals turn blue. Scientists use dye in experiments to show what's going on.
Mommy, no.
No, here? Which one? This one. How does sound travel? In waves that move outwards like ripples on a pond. Woof! When the dog barks, the sound moves in waves, in circles. Sounds are vibrations. They travel through air and other materials. Why?
What?
Not why? How?
Yes.
But which how? Which question?
Yes.
This one? Okay. How can fingerprints solve crimes? Each fingerprint pattern is different. Scientists use computers to match the fingerprints found at the crime scene with the person who might have done the crime. Here are the fingerprints on our fingers. How are diamonds made? Okay. Deep underground, a material called carbon turns into a diamond when it's very hot and very squashed. Look, here. It's very hot and squashed. Diamonds are... because this is a volcano. Diamonds are brought near to the surface by volcanoes. Humans dig out the rough, cloudy stones, then they cut and polish them into sparkly jewels. And then diamonds look like this. They are beautiful.
Now, this.
How do bodies grow? Like your body. You grow too. By creating more cells. The tiny...
Mommy.
Yeah? Yes, this is just one cell. At the beginning, you were like this. You remember from the other book? Yeah? Where were you?
I don't know.
Don't you remember? Told you. Where were you? Inside?
Yeah.
Inside mommy's tummy, of course. By creating more cells, the tiny things we are all made of. Here's how cells multiply. 1 cell split into 2. 2 cells split into 4. 4 cells split into 8. And so on until there are millions. And now your body consists of millions of cells. Because they multiply. Yeah. As you get older, your body makes more and more cells and you grow bigger. This, okay, about the rocket, okay. How do rockets take off? They create gases by burning fuel. The gases whoosh out at high speeds and push the rocket up and down. No, up and up. Up and up. 3, 2, 1. Why? Or where? Or when?
This.
Okay, which one?
This.
Why can't I live on the moon? Because there's no, not this one. Okay, which one? Okay, maybe next section. No. Okay. This one. Aha. Why is it easier cycling downhill? Oh, look. It's very difficult to cycle uphill. This guy says this is hard work. And when he reaches the top and he starts going down, he says, whee! Because of gravity. It's a force that pulls things down to the ground. Gravity helps things go down, but makes it harder for them to go up. Try rolling a ball down a slope. You can make a slope like this and up a slope. What's the difference? These are 2 balls. And who discovered gravity? Somebody from this book.
They are not playing with them.
No. They are using yellow ones.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe they are better for this experiment. I don't know. Maya, and who discovered gravity?
I don't know.
You don't know? Find him in this book. He's hiding somewhere.
Where?
Well, I don't know. He's hiding somewhere. Where is he? Who discovered gravity? Is he on this page? Not really. Aha, you are interested in the bear. Okay, we'll find him later.
Now.
Now? So where is he?
No, this.
Who was sticking his tongue at the photographer? Who discovered gravity? Oh yes, of course. And who's this?
Albert Einstein.
Yes, he's Albert Einstein. I can read you something about him. He was born in 1879 and he died in 1955. And he's famous for his series about gravity, light, speed and time, and for sticking his tongue out at a photographer. Yeah. Who?
This.
Who?
And this.
This? Okay, but I have to read the question first. Who invented the computer? Charles Babbage from England between 1833 and 1871. Ada Lovelace worked with Babbage and she became the world's first computer programmer. Okay, maybe we'll finish with this, or not, no. This one. Which way is the wind blowing? This way. Try picking some grass and letting it go in the air. The way the grass goes shows the way the wind is blowing. It's very windy.
Why?
Do you remember the song? It is windy, it is windy. Blow, wind, blow.
It is windy, it is windy.
Blow, wind, blow.
It is windy,
It is windy. Blow, wind, blow.
This one. No.
Which one will melt first?
Mommy.
Oh, can you guess which? Don't look, not yet. Which one will melt first?
I don't know.
Just try to pick one.
This and this.
Oh, I think the ice, but let's check. Yes, the ice. Butter and chocolate don't melt at room temperature, but they might in the sun or in a warm hand. This one. Which person is making electricity? I am. She's making a type of electricity called static electricity by rubbing the balloon on her hair. Now her hair is attracted to the balloon and sticks up. And we can do this experiment at home.